So over here you can see that I have a bunch of pages, but some of the pages may be more important than others. In that case, you can go around over here and let's say for example, go around onto the three dot button and click on add to favorites right here. Once you do that, you can see that a new section is created called favorites and you got the page right here, just like this. You can go around over here, click on the three dot button and then go to add to favorites right here. You can go around over here onto, let's say for example, this one, click on add to favorites right here, just like this. So these are the pages that you can see, and as I click, you can see that these are easily accessible on the favorites. You can go around over here and remove from favorites as well, and that is sent back around over here onto the main page as you can see right here. So you can add to favorites right here just like this. You can go around, or you can simply go around and remove from favorites over here as well to rearrange out the pages that you like. So that is how you can go ahead and add contents to favorites and remove contents from favorites inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.